Alright, what's up everyone? This is Tim with the HQ Fitness Center, and I'm going to bring you today's Wednesday movement snack. It's going to be a movement to kind of open up the spine, the shoulders, the upper back, the middle back, and then one for your hip flexors and your hips. So the first one I'm going to do is to open up the spine and the back. So you're going to need a wall or some type of reference point, because we're going to move around, but I don't want you to touch that reference point. You're gonna be in a half kneeling position, so outside knee is down. Use a pad or a pillow, whatever is comfortable for you, but if the floor is comfortable, that's fine. Inside leg is up at a 90-degree angle. You're gonna interlock your fingers behind your head, but you don't wanna crank on your head. You're gonna twist a little bit, so my right elbow is pointing down towards my left leg. From here, I'm gonna rotate up towards my right. Again, not wanting to touch the wall, but as close as I can to the wall with my elbow. I'm gonna rotate back, have my right elbow point down towards my left foot, and then come right back around under control, and then you just repeat. And this is just a simple, as well as a great way to help open up the back. Move your spine around in a little bit of rotation, which one thing we individuals tend not to do throughout the day. I'm just gonna do one more for good measure. Back around. And then you would simply just switch sides. Again, now my right knee is down, left leg here. Left elbow down to my right leg. Nice and control. Up and around. Left elbow to right foot, back around, and down. I'm gonna do one more. Back around. And then you can progress that also. If you feel like that's too easy, just shoot me a comment, let me know, and I can give you a progression on that. Second exercise is gonna be for your hips and your hip flexors. You'll also need a wall or some type of sturdy object in front of you. You're gonna use a pad or a pillow again. Arms are gonna be straight out, so kind of find a comfortable position here, so where you can push into the wall. Okay, you're gonna be in a 90-90 position again, so my left knee's down to start, right leg in front. Tuck your hips, squeeze your butt, core is engaged. From here, you're gonna bring your right knee up, hold, nice and control, bring it around and down, and then up and around back. So the key thing is when you do this, not letting your body sway or arch your back really bad, but just staying nice and tall as you do this. Again, hold up, come around, down, and back up, around. And after so many, say 6 to 10 of them, we'll switch to the other side, reset, tuck your hips, squeeze your butt, lift up, come down and around, and back up, and around again. Not wanting to rush through this, but just taking your time with each movement. And those are just 2 simple movements that you can do throughout the day while you're at home or at your desk. Appreciate it, guys.